chaps. Certainly was a great night last Thursday night, wasn't it? Thank God they don't have to. I was just about still getting over it. How about you, Jeremy?
Well, quite frankly, Doctor, I've been on antibiotics, as you know, for the last 4 days, and I'm still not myself.
No, whether I am myself or not.
You feel yourself. Terrible right now.
I think we're very lucky to have someone like you and John and the Colonel and Andy here to sort of make sure what we are.
That's right.
So it really was excellent. Week, there's no two ways about it. I must write to the wife and tell her that that was your life, frankly.
You know.
I'm awfully glad I haven't done one like it. But we must say that things are a little quiet nowadays, aren't they?
Well, there were some of us keeping a very low profile, just in case.
Yes. But the rest will do us good.
Yeah, when do we meet
well,
up?
I'm hoping the rest will do us good.
When do we meet up with them again?
Well, not too soon, I hope. Not too soon, I hope.
A very bad infancy might be described as it.
I think it's a bit silly that the Princess goes all the way to Australia just to pick up fuel, but, you know, there must be some economy measure there. I guess the currency is... Is that what it is? Yes, well, absolutely right.
I think the lads did a marvellous job on Thursday night, didn't they?
Fantastic, fantastic, I have to say. I think all of us here agree on that entirely.
I think J.Y. enjoyed it.
I mean, what it did. Yes. You know, in a way, yes.
I think it probably was a great surprise to him. It was certainly a well-kept secret, wasn't it, John?
I feel that will never happen again.
Oh, it's a one-off.
You'll never get the same situation.
Definitely one-off.
Well, I had to get out my hanky on a couple of occasions. And I'm not an emotional person.
You have a cold, sir?
Trump, yes, that's it. Just to blow my nose. I noticed Trump, the chief engineer's comment. Remember him complaining about having the television in the way?
Yes, we couldn't see.
Still, we've all settled down and we're looking forward to more bald eagles. Preferably some with wings.
That's right.
Just to make a change.
And enough ice to make enough Manhattans for the whole of New York for 20 minutes or something.
There are one or two novel ideas in the secret folder for
Yes.
Of course, we do plan to send some Channel 4 news over to the people,
Fantastic.
just so they can see what's going on.
Fantastic. I know Jay well like that.
I don't think that emergency stations this week were up to its usual previous nights.
No, it wasn't.
The dialogue wasn't exactly the same sort of...
I think it was the tape they used, it was not the Sony tape.
No, I didn't have passengers praying into my office wondering why I was curled up in a sleep in hysterics. Nevertheless, I think we're all agreed. Fantastic. I feel very lucky to have been on here the last couple of months.
It was a time not to be missed. It was a very happy time, although it was sad, it was a happy time. I think everybody on the ship enjoyed it.
That week was a lecture.
I enjoyed it.
And the atmosphere seemed to build up.
You're right, Joe. I'm only hoping it will be...
God, he's gone! He's gone!
10 years from what Good night.
Good night, Jeremy.
That was his life.